Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the pharmacology of angiotensin-II receptor antagonist by Professor Sabashek. So angiotensin receptor antagonist, so it includes losartan, candesartan, etc. So first we'll see the mechanism of action of angiotensin-II receptor blockers. So when the blood pressure falls, the kidney releases renin. This renin converts angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1. Now this angiotensin 1 is relatively inactive, which is converted into angiotensin 2 in the presence of enzyme ACE, which is nothing but angiotensin converting enzyme. So this angiotensin 2 then binds with the angiotensin 2 receptor, which is AT1 or AT2 receptor, and causes vasoconstriction. And due to this vasoconstriction, the blood pressure rises. Now our drug, which is nothing but the angiotensin 2 receptor block these receptor. So AT1 receptor are present in vascular and myocardial tissue, brain, kidney and adrenal glomerular cell. So basically by blocking the AT1 receptor, the losartan blocks the effect of angiotensin 2. As this angiotensin 2 is required for vasoconstriction, so now the vasoconstriction cannot occur. Why? Because the receptor are blocked with the angiotensin 2 receptor blocker drug. So it thus relaxes the vascular smooth muscle, promotes sodium or salt and water excretion, and reduces plasma volume. The main advantage of angiotensin 2 receptor blockers over ACE inhibitors is that there is no dry cough and angioedema because angiotensin converting enzyme is not inhibited. Now we'll see the pharmacokinetics of angiotensin receptor blockers. So angiotensin receptor blockers are all given orally. Their bioavailability is normally greater than 50%. They are all extensively protein bound and excreted by kidneys. The adverse effect include this angiotensin receptor blockers are well tolerated. They can cause hypotension and hyperkalemia like ACE inhibitor, but the angioedema, which is the prominent side effect in case of the ACE inhibitor, is rare. Angiotensin receptor blockers are contraindicated in pregnancy because of their teratogenic potential. So this is all about the pharmacology of angiotensin 2 receptor blockers. Thank you.